So in this practice, find the angle of refraction at the surface of waters. So we can apply the Snell's laws. Snell's law said on this surface is n sub air times sine alpha. Alpha is this angle equal n sub water sine betas. So we can use this equation to find out betas. The betas is expressed inverse sine n sub air over n sub water and the sine alpha. Once you get these equations, you can use calculators. If you use the calculators, please be careful the unit of the angles. Sometimes you use degrees or radians. So in this question, we use this is degrees. And we'd like to express also beta is a unit of degrees. So you choose degrees or degrees unit to express the unit of the angles. If you substitute 30 degrees, beta becomes 22.0. If you just push the button of the 60 degrees, it becomes 40.5 degrees for betas. Substitute 75, 46.4 degree. If substitute 85, 48.4 degree. 89, 48.6 degree. So these figures, actually, we could consider a number of the light pass from the airs, right? The maximum angle is 48.6 degrees. So all the light is confined in these regions. Actually, there is no light, no reflected light in these regions. Reflected light. This angle is correspond to the 48.6 degrees. Okay, this is the answer to this practice.